Here I have a Legge 3-lever. That's what it says. If it would focus on the shiny, shiny metal. Come on. Oh well, enough time wasted on that. Legge 3-lever. Made in England. Another one of the locks that Solomon sent me, so thank you, Mr. Solomon, for this one also. Won't focus. Can use the same two tools I used earlier. Not the proper tool for it, but have a little trouble getting on the bolt on this one. It takes me a minute, but go all the way in. I'm behind it. But you know when you're on it, you'll feel the bolt. It's kind of springy right there. You see the bolt kind of moving. So I'm on it. So now I'm going to get around here. There it is picked already, I do believe. Of course, once again, the bolt didn't go all the way back like it's supposed to because my tool's long enough. But I should be able to go in here and pull the bolt back. Like so. There it is unlocked. So we'll go ahead and we shall gut this one also. Let me scoot it back a little bit. And angle it just a hair so we don't lose any parts. Ow! Here we go. Now you're all excited. And the parts are falling out. Already. That just fell out on me. But that goes in there like that. So we have spacer and a lever and a spacer and a lever and another spacer and the last lever. And then there's the bolt flopping around. The reason I have a problem getting attention on this is you can see the bolt is not at the very back of the lock. There's a gap there. See? Gappage. So if you put, what the hell is up with this? If you put the tab here all the way at the back, you're going to go behind the lever. Or the bolt, so you have to pull it out a hair to get onto the bolt, which makes it a little more difficult, but we did it. So again, thank you for the lock, Solomon, and thank you all for watching.